So I've been seeing a lot of you guys use the scissors completely wrong. I mean, yes, you might not know how to cut hair, but you're even holding the scissor wrong. So let me show you something. This is how, well, first let's just look at these two scissors. It doesn't matter which one you use. First of all, people are holding it like this. Your index finger is holding it here, and the rest of your fingers are just playing with itself. I don't feel any strength or any control when I'm holding it like this. We're not cutting paper, we're cutting hair, right? So there's actually a right way to hold this. So as you can see, I just wanted to show you, you see this dent right here? See that? And then one more back here. Well, guess what? Thumb, index, middle, ring finger, and then pinky. So let me show you one more time. See all this? Right there. Thumb goes in the bottom, index goes right there, middle finger goes right there, ring finger goes inside, pinky goes right here. Look at this control. Right? You can just move your thumb and then just the top blade is just cutting. Some people do this way better than I can, and they're just moving the top and the bottom's not moving at all. But this right here is how you're actually supposed to be holding your scissors. So for you barbers out there who are new in the game, make sure you're holding it the right way. And for people who are cutting hair at home, this is it. This is it. It'll help out a lot. Remember what I just said. If I put this here, you got it? You know what to do? Alright. Okay? No more, none of this. Stop this. Stop it, okay? This is not it. What are these guys doing? Not doing anything, just waving. Bye. Bye, I'll see you guys later. You see how it's the same thing right here. Thumb, index, middle, ring finger, pinky. You don't have to literally put them right here, but they are actually supposed to go right there. That's it, you guys. I wanted to let you guys know that. Hold your shears correctly. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. See you guys later. Peace out.